So on the right side of the excavator here in the engine compartment, we've got all of your filters are located here together. You got your fuel water separator filter is here, got an additional fuel filter. These are some hydraulic filters that we have added to give more filtration to the hydraulic system. We also have another additional hydraulic filter up in here. The sight glass for this is actually up inside of here on the side of the tank for your hydraulic system. See your hydraulic oil level. And then back inside here, there's a silver canister back in here. That's your engine oil filter. And you also have a dipstick right here that you can check the oil from this side of the machine as well as up on top of the engine compartment. So on the right side of the machine here, a couple things we want to talk about. There is now a right side camera for these next gen machines, so that not only do you have a backup camera to see behind you, but you can also see on the right side of the machine. If anybody's working over here, you got equipment, material, people, vehicles, anything, you can actually see that on the right side now. This box is for our electrical PLC control system. All the brains behind what all BTE equipment does is housed inside of this electrical enclosure. You've got your fire extinguisher right here. Back behind the electrical enclosure, you've got your hydraulic oil fill, you've got your diesel fill up there, as well as the engine compartment where you can check your engine oil, as well as your radiator fill, or your coolant fill, I should say, on that as well.